have modified this recipe from the Ball Canning book. What I'm using today are 3 red onions, 1/4 cup of pickling salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 cups of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of pickling spice, 3 garlic cloves, and pickle crisper. Here's my brine, which has been brought up to a boil, and the sliced red onions. I also have my various size jars, lids, and rings ready to go. These pickled onions will be water bath canned, processing for 10 minutes. I added about 1/4 teaspoon of pickling crisper to each jar, then started to fill the jars, leaving 1/2 inch headspace. After dropping a clove of garlic into each jar, I then proceeded to fill my hot jars with the hot brine. Wipe each jar with a little bit of vinegar to ensure that the jars are clean before putting your lid on. If you are using a ball lid, you do not need to heat up the lids. Thank you for watching TT's Urban Pantry. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded.